today on the worst mechanic ever.
Ready? I'm about to swap out this sway bar link on an 04 Nissan Maxima. That's this guy right here. This guy, you know, this little small piece here. It's a pretty tiny piece on the Maxima. So I tell you right here. Here's the bolts, 2 bolts, and this guy here. The trick to get this guy off is, you know, try to break these guys free to get them rotating. And then using an Allen key and stick it in that hole right there. Because when you rotate this guy here, the inside also rotates. So you wanna, you know, like get a key in there and just throw like a wrench on this. Try to get that spinning. So I have my 14 socket attached to the front of this, and I have a wrench attached to the back, you know, so it doesn't spin. You could get the alley key in there. So far this is working out for me, so I'm going with this. And so, you know, that's my setup right now. That's what's working out. So I got this guy back here. I'm holding this with one hand, like on the bottom, and then I have the other one on this side. And that's just for the bottom. On the top one, you know, on this side I actually got lucky. The other side was a nightmare when I first did it. And that was a few months back. So this was coming out pretty easy. I did get some WD-40 in there just to, you know, get that moving faster. But so far it's working out pretty good.
Oh.